Bullish Algorand cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 76 cents and $1.44 by 2030. Market experts accept ALGO could reach 59 cents by 2025. Bearish Algorand market cost expectation for 2023 is 13 cents. Algorand presentation. The Algorand cryptographic money has experienced issues ascending past its ICO value since its commencement in 2019, when the blockchain collaborated with coinbase to foster El Salvador's cryptographic money framework. The cost of a LGO flooded in September 2021, in spite of the fact that it has in this way lost most of these additions. Experts in sites that gauge costs are hopeful that it will one day again arrive at comparable levels. What follows for the altcoin, then, at that point? We should look at the Algorand blockchain's activity in additional profundity and analyze its cost advancement. What is Algorand? The Algorand blockchain, which expects to answer the catch-22 of safety, speed, and decentralization, involves ALGO as its local money. Algorand achieves this objective by making and approving its blocks through an agreement procedure called unadulterated evidence of stake. How much ALGO a client wagers influences how haphazardly the block chief and approval panel are picked. Algorand was laid out in 2017 by teacher Silvio Macaulay of the Massachusetts Establishment of Innovation in the U.S., and its blockchain and neighborhood cache appeared in June 2019. The ALGO coin cost in a flash fell a day after presentation. Algorand principal examination in June 2019. ALGO sent off its underlying coin offering with a $2.40 sticker price. Value tumbled to $2.16 on June 22, the primary day of exchange. This was just the beginning as the value continued to decline throughout the resulting months, hitting a low of 19 cents on September 27, 2019. This crash happened for different causes. The first was the 10 billion symbolic inventory that would be conveyed steadily. Algorand said that 3 billion ALGO will be sold at public closeout throughout the initial 5 years following the organization's foundation. Notwithstanding the elevated degree of public premium, the market couldn't deal with the huge measure of ALGO and financial backers' $24 billion valuation. Algorand specialized examination subsequent to being added to Coinbase. The cost of ALGO's money expanded. It was one of the swiftest on the stage, as per Algorand. At the point when the news was delivered, the cost had ascended about 30 cents. Throughout the accompanying year and a half of exchange, ALGO attempted to get past the 50 cents edge, not to mention outperform its underlying cost, in spite of a couple of increments. The money began seeing a bullish pattern toward the start of 2021. All through the year the token supported this development, in the long run hitting a long-term high of $1.71. Like the previous cost fall of ALGO, various variables could have caused this increment. Stablecoin interest was the first. Stablecoins consolidate the relentlessness of government-issued money with the decentralized attributes of digital currencies. Algorand has arisen as a serious option for stablecoin backers since Ethereum has costly gas costs. Through a coordinated effort with the momentary currency market exchanging stage Instamatch worldwide, Algorand was likewise standing out. Algorand dealt with Milio. Algorand is at present worth 16 cents USD. ALGO has moved 5.56% as of now with an exchanging volume of $58,963,256. Algorand is at present positioned 41 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $1,185,712,319 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union difference from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Algorand to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous Algorand market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market action. Algorand Value Forecast 2023. Algorand, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The ALGO cost gauge for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to 25 cents. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging 23 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is practical soon given expected coordinated efforts and headway. ALGO is supposed to have a base worth of 20 cents. Algorand Value Expectation 2024 out of 2024. Algorand ALGO cost forecast has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of a LGO will before long outperform 42 cents. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the ALGO's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, ALGO will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 33 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 37 cents. Algorand Value Forecast 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 59 cents and ALGO might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ALGO is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 54 cents and a low of 50 cents in 2025. Algorand Value Expectation 2026. Assuming that Algorand effectively supports market feeling among digital currency aficionados, the ALGO coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ALGO will be green in 2026. The ALGO is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at 76 cents, with a base cost of 67 cents and a typical cost of 71 cents. Algorand Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the ALGO cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 88 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 84 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, ALGO has a most extreme value worth of 93 cents. Algorand Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $1.05. In the event that LGO figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $1.10. Neglecting to assemble the help ALGO needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $1.02. Algorand Value Forecast 2029. While ALGO is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been set at $1.19 and a yearly cost close above $1.27 in 2029. Algorand Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Algorand will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $1.36 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $1.44, averaging out at $1.39. Algorand Value Expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future costs with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest ALGO cost in 2031 is projected to be $1.67 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $1.60. It ought to be noticed that the cost of the token has outperformed obstruction levels on the general strength file, giving further sure conversion for the transient value projection of the ALGO coin. To partake in extra upturns, dealers ought to ponder scaling into the computerized resource.